Today, we are diving into the POCO X6 NEO 5G, a smartphone that's been making waves in the market. Is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out. The POCO X6 NEO 5G was released in March 2024 and has quickly become a contender in the mid-range smartphone segment. Let's kick things off with the design and display. The device boasts a sleek design with a glass front protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, a plastic frame, and a plastic back. It's lightweight at 175 grams and has an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display offers a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, the POCO X6 NEO 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. This setup ensures efficient performance for daily tasks and multitasking. For gaming enthusiasts, the Mali G57 MC2 GPU handles games like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile with ease, providing a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's talk cameras. The dual-camera setup features a 108-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, delivering sharp and detailed photos. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures your selfies are on point. In well-lit conditions, the camera performs admirably, capturing vibrant colors and fine details. However, in low-light scenarios, there's a noticeable drop in quality, with some noise creeping in. Battery life is a crucial factor for many users. The 5000 mAh battery comfortably lasts a full day with moderate use, and the 33W fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. So, should you buy the POCO X6 NEO 5G? Priced starting at 15,999 rupees, it offers a compelling package with its high refresh rate AMOLED display, powerful performance, and impressive camera setup. However, if low-light photography is a priority, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the POCO X6 NEO 5G stands out as a strong contender in its price segment, offering features that cater to both everyday users and tech enthusiasts. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that bell icon to stay notified. Drop your thoughts on the POCO X6 NEO 5G in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring tech.